President Drupadi Murmu has said that it is our responsibility to safeguard the rights of the farmers and care for the future as they are Annadata, the food providers for humanity. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will inaugurate 90 critical infrastructure projects developed by the Border Roads Organization at a cost of 2,941 crore rupees in Jammu and Kashmir today. In Gujarat, 108 migrants from Pakistan were awarded citizens by the State Home Minister Harsh Sanghavi in Ahmedabad today. In Libya, at least 2,000 people are feared dead and thousands more missing due to heavy flooding. In Asia Cup cricket, India will take on Sri Lanka in the fourth encounter of the Super Fours this afternoon.